One conversation could stop a person driving a forklift on 2 hours sleep. One conversation could let you know that your employee has been up all night with a sick child at home. One conversation could prevent an accident, injury, or death of a person that was too impaired to work that day. With SafetyIQ's fatigue management module, you know when to have these conversations. Our fatigue management module uses a simple game format to identify when your people are struggling with alertness, a leading indicator of fatigue. Unlike other fatigue solutions, we focus on the individual before they are in danger. A rolling baseline is developed to understand their average performance based on speed and accuracy. This means 1. Results are objective and indiscriminatory. 2. The test can't be cheated with built-in gaming detection. 3. It understands performance improves over time and adjusts the rolling baseline. However, if a person scores outside their normal range, a manager is notified to have a conversation to make sure they're okay to work. It's not only fatigue that affects alertness. Coming down with an illness, receiving distressing news, or being under the influence of recreational or prescription drugs can put us off our game and become a safety risk to the workplace. Our goal is to provide you with the ability to highlight at-risk workers, start a conversation, and care for your employees. If you only save one person's life, that's a significant achievement and proof that you can make real change. See how our solution can transform the way you look after your employees. Schedule a demo today.